Hello, everybody.
It's a box.
A box. Yippee. Some more moving parts from Matchbox. Ooh. First up, the 2022 Lexus LX. That looks like it's a new casting. Very nice. Opening trunk.
Maybe I should have saved that one for last.
Maybe. That's a very nice casting. Next up, the Citroen EC4X. Pretty cool, almost looks like a Mercedes SUV almost. Very cool. Then you've got your 61 Jeep FC 70th anniversary edition. Pretty cool.
Why wouldn't they have a moving door on the outside?
Yeah. Got the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. Definitely a good point raised that the opening door should probably be on the side that's displayed on the packet.
You know, that would only be logical, but...
Yeah.
I don't work for Matchbox, clearly.
Yeah, well, Mattel has their issues. That's a pretty cool one, the Sprinter. Oh, and then you've got your 2020 Nissan Leaf. I like it because it's blue, so it's nice. Don't necessarily really like the car, but then we've got the Tesla Model 3 in red for all the Tesla collectors out there. Pretty nice one with the opening doors. Decent detail on them. And then you've got your 2023 Nissan Z with opening doors.
Or Z if you're American.
Yes, or Z if you prefer to pronounce it that way. And then the Toyota FJ Cruiser in red with opening doors. So not a bad mix, I'd say. But the Lexus and the Sprinter are definitely two good castings in that one. So, as always, everyone, thanks for watching. Till next time, happy hunting.